One day in the beautiful region of Valencia, Spain, a group of farmers gathered after a long day in the fields. They wanted to make a delicious dish using ingredients that the land and sea had to offer. As they were preparing their dish in a large flat pan called a paella, the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the rice fields, the sapphire waters of the Mediterranean Sea and fragrant orange groves. Farmers realized that this dish was a true reflection of the earth's bounty, and so paella was born. Pour 700 milliliters water over shrimp heads and boil. Ingredients: olive oil, 5 boneless chicken thighs, 2 peeled squid, 20 large raw shrimp, 10 to 15 large mussels, 1 large bulb, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chili pepper, 2 bell peppers, red and yellow parsley for serving, 0.45 pounds of green peas, fresh or frozen, 0.9 pound canned tomatoes, 0.9 pound of rice, 10 to 15 olives, salt to taste, smoked paprika, saffron. Instructions: finely chop the garlic. Pour hot broth over the saffron. Dice onions. Cut bell peppers into julienne strips. Chop parsley finely. Cut chicken into large chunks. Cut the calamari into julienne strips. Half olives. Decoction of head strain. Start by heating olive oil in a large skillet. Fry the chicken. Stir and add the garlic and onion. Roast for a few minutes until they are softened and fragrant. In the same pan, add the bell peppers, cut into julienne strips. Once the peppers have roasted a bit, add the calamari and shrimp. Sauté until aromatic. Next, add the chili peppers and smoked paprika. Stir and immediately add the rice. Stir until it's coated in the aromatic roast. Add the tomatoes and stir to combine. Taste and season with salt and saffron. Pour in broth. Bring to the boil. Add the peas. Stir. Place mussels on top and drown them a bit. Spread the olives on top. Cover the pan with foil. Braise on the fire for 5 minutes so that a crust forms on the bottom of the pan, called a socarrot. The rice should stick to the pan. You need to remove it from the fire in time so it doesn't stick, then let it rest on the table for another 5 minutes. Salad. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons olive oil, mixed lettuce leaves, lemon slice, 2 garlic cloves, dried Provençal herbs 1 teaspoon, salt, freshly ground black pepper. Instructions: grind garlic through press. Add dried herbs, add olive oil, wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Stir to combine. Drizzle the dressing over the lettuce leaves. Stir to mix. Before serving, garnish paella with fresh parsley, basil leaves and a slice of lemon for added flavor and brightness. Paella is a one-pot dish that can be enjoyed on its own, but it can also be served with a simple green salad dressed with a light vinaigrette, a crust of bread and a glass of Spanish wine.